Ciara deserves this award, honestly, more than anybody I can think of. She is an excellent leader. She leads by example. She is incredibly kind to everyone, and that warmth and charm really comes across to not only the people that work at the hotel, but also all of our guests that come to the hotel.
What I think drives Ciara to serve others is her genuine heart for people. She genuinely wants everyone to do well, and she wants to be helpful. And it's not because she feels like she has to, it's because she genuinely wants to. And that's what we do in the hospitality industry. We make memories and we give sincere service, and the Alamite is all about that. It's being of Tuscaloosa, not just in Tuscaloosa, and Ciara represents that better than anybody.
I was always raised with a servant heart, and I surround myself with people who are the same way. And so if I can take care of someone else and build up this community, I think that's a way to leave a mark on the world in an easy way.
Ciara is an amazing team player. She's never afraid to ask people to help, but she's never going to ask you to do something that she's not willing to jump in and do herself. She has an incredibly warm presence and is the epitome of Southern hospitality.
Ciara deserves every award, in my opinion. She goes above and beyond in everything. I'm so happy they have someone like that to look up to, just personally, and then I look up to her professionally. She is probably one of the best people I know.
To me, this award is so special. I try to surround myself with people who make me a better person. So I'm always happy to talk about other people. I don't really like to talk about myself, but to know that other people see how dedicated I am to this community and to my workplace, I mean, it's really something.